Our venue today is Anfield, the home of Liverpool Football Club. I'm Martin Tyler, Alan Smith sits with me. The game has all the elements really to excite us, and I'm sure it will live up to the billing. It's Liverpool against Barcelona.
I think the first 10 minutes might tell us how this match is going to pan out, who can gain the upper hand, who can get hold of this ball and ask all the questions.
Number 11.
Made quite a splash when he originally came into English football with the Southampton Sadio Mane, and they've just kicked on from there.
Yeah, he was a great signing for Liverpool. He's a top player, and these defenders have got it all to do to keep him quiet.
Well, we expect Lionel Messi to be the master of the ball and probably the master of the game as well.
Well, he's obviously the man to watch and the man to mark. Interesting how the opposition do try and cope with him. I've seen him man-marked out of a game before, but not many times.
This is the Liverpool side. Looking at the lineup, he's got all the components in place, hasn't he, the manager, for the pressing style of play that's been a feature of his team.
Yeah, and many an opponent has found it difficult to cope with. If your touch isn't spot on against this aggressive type of closing down, you're going to lose it in dangerous areas.
Barcelona's lineup here. Well, the opponents to this team, they know what to expect, but stopping them, Alan, that's a different matter altogether.
Yes, quite, and any opposition manager would have spoken long and hard about their game plan, but it's a wonderful way of playing, the passing, the movement. It's unstoppable when it's hitting top form.
Henderson. Here's Naby Keita. Roberto Firmino. Into the attacking third. He's dealt with it well, the defender. It wasn't the worst cross. Piqué. Griezmann. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. It's Mane. Robertson. Now Keita. Henderson. He could take them on here. Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. They can spread the play now. Jordi Alba. Chance to get the ball in the box. Luis Suarez. He wants to pull it back here. There it is, first goal of the game. And coming this early, the promise of more to come. He's tucked it away, well out of the goalkeeper's reach.
I love to see that. Don't have to whack it from that kind of position. Just side-footed home.
Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it?
Nothing the manager can do at the moment. His team have lost momentum and they're also losing this match.
It's Barcelona in front. Now Keita. To Robertson. Well, here they are, still probing away. He's read that, hasn't he, and made the interception. Made it look easy, actually. Oh, time to get the cross now. Well, suddenly they could be on the counter-attack. Griezmann. Jordi Alba. He's made the interception. It's Sadio Mane. Keita! And the referee looks to his assistant, who's got the flag up. It's offside. Well, this must have been very tight indeed, but we get the advantage of another look that the officials, of course, don't.
No, and it was such a close call, but the defence had squeezed and caught the lad offside, although he tucked it away well.
It's Salah now. Can really get at the opposition here. It's an excellent cross. Rather hoisted into the middle and way over his teammates. To Robertson. There's a target at the front post. And he bangs it away. Well, it will be a throw. It's gone out off that player there. Here's Wijnaldum. Robertson. Now Keita. Wijnaldum. Roberto Firmino. Keeping calm in the pursuit of an equalising goal here, not panicking. Here's Wijnaldum. Wijnaldum. It's good attacking play, this, from them. Mistake by Mane with the ball. Piqué. Sergio Roberto. Sergio Busquets. Jordi Alba. It's going to be a throw after that challenge. Suarez. Opening them up with a through pass. What an important goal this may well be. They're 2 ahead now, building a platform for victory. Dangled the ball in with that touch. Knew exactly where the goal was, where the ball was.
All about timing. It was so clean, that contact.
Well, here's the goal again. Restarting at 2-0.
FC Barcelona goal, number 10, Lionel Messi.
It's good play to get a foot in and intercept. Jordi Alba. Griezmann. A good control under pressure. It's Salah now.
It's not often the Liverpool fans turn against their own players, but there's been a bit of that out there today.
And here we've got a free kick given by the referee.
I think he'd love to shoot, but he can't from this angle. Got to get a good ball into the box.
And now the goalkeeper can maybe think about starting an attack. Not quite the swagger yet from Barcelona, is it, Alan?
I think in the second half there's more to come. I think we'll see the real Barca.
Now Keita. Space to cross the ball now. Henderson. Now, can they make this count? Keeping the ball well in a dangerous area now. Well, maybe the counter-attack is on here. Here's De Jong. Luis Suarez. Jordi Alba. Sergio Busquets. Frankie De Jong. Saw the pass and dealt with it. Now Keita. Wijnaldum. Set up to play on the break now. We could get a cross in here. Firmino! Well, the keeper's done well to keep that one out.
The fourth official has indicated.
The referee's had a
there
good
will
look
be
and
minimum
decided
of
what
3
he's seen
minutes
from
added time.
this period of play to add on 3 minutes. Luis Suarez. Well, they couldn't keep possession, they've given it away. Half-time now, and 2-0 is the score at the break.
Sei cresciuto abbastanza per passare a ciò creme? Ciao, bocconcini. Ciao, fai merenda con me? Ma dove vivi? La merenda non si fa più così. Ecco come si fa, con 2 gusti. Me la fai provare? E tu che mi dai? Un bacio. No, 2 gusti, 2 baci.
Ciao Creme 2, la crema da spalmare al gusto di nocciola e cioccolato. Meglio 2 gusti che uno solo.
Ma se decido di investire,
Sai che c'è un momento in cui la grande così. Andiamo lì, grande così.
esagerando, grande così, grande così. E tira con te, grande così, ma se decido di esagerare,
Lo sai che c'è un pacchetto di Golia grande così? Ma insomma, quanto è grande sta Golia?
mangia grangolia.
Si chiama zucchetti la libertà di fare con l'acqua tutto ciò che ti dà.
At Anfield, the second half is now underway. Jordi Alba. Piqué. Sergio Busquets. Frankie de Jong. Well, from the interception here, they'll be thinking of going forward themselves. Henderson. Jordan Henderson. Mane! Super goalkeeping. Corner played into the middle. Well read by the defender. Maybe he'll cross it here. Another turnover in play here with that interception. Gomez. Wijnaldum. Now Keita. Here's Naby Keita. The build-up is patient. Well, the cross could come in here. It's a very good clearance, and it was needed. And they're going to have to restart with a throw. Top player, top performance today from him, right on his game. He's being substituted now, and the crowd have loved watching his performance.
Yeah, it's just all gone right. Doesn't happen all the time, but one of those days where he didn't really put a foot wrong.
And there's the interception. Liverpool get the advantage. Henderson. Mohamed Salah. With his skill, here's a chance to have a run at goal and take the opposition on. Oh, he's been called offside here. It's a booking for the Barcelona player.
He jumped in a little too quickly.
He took a chance there, really, and I don't think it paid off.
He's caught the man and not the ball. No doubt a foul.
Substitution for Liverpool.
Well, the losing team have got to do something, and this is it, the substitution.
Henderson. Coming onto the pitch, number 7, James Milner.
Well, we're 2/3 of the way through the 90 minutes, half an hour to go. Lionel Messi. Sergio Roberto. Chance to use the space out wide for Barcelona. Chance to cross it. It's come off the goalkeeper, still in play. And there's the cutback. Well, that should be the game. We could call it another insurance goal. Surely they can't throw it away here. Well, with that goal, Alan, it should wrap it up for Barcelona.
Well, I would have thought so. Surely no way back now.
Well, let's take another look at the goal.
Oh, he's loving it, the manager. He's seeing his team playing really well, just what he was asking for.
It's turning out to be an embarrassing scoreline, really, as we're underway again.
Luis Suarez.
Wijnaldum. To Robertson. Jorginho Wijnaldum. Oh, he's given offside.
Yeah, he's playing on the shoulder, but just needs to hold his run a touch.
Mohamed Salah.
Liverpool want to make a change here.
Number 23, Shaqiri.
Sergio Roberto. Here's De Jong. Looking down at that bench. Barcelona want to make a change now. Out wide to Leo Messi. Luis Suarez. And he can take possession in his own half. And it's cut out by Messi. And here's the shot. Top performance from a top team, and they've emphasised their superiority with the number of goals that they've scored.
Well, this is X-rated stuff for these defenders to have to watch, but I'm sure they will. In the next few days, the manager will be wanting to know what on earth they're playing at.
Well, we're underway again, and you just wonder how many more they can get today.
Number 10, Lionel Messi.
Substitute ready to come on for Barcelona. Wijnaldum. Well, this is a real shock. You can see it in the faces of the players, and you can hear it in the lack of noise, if you like, from the supporters.
Well, those fans can't even be bothered to give their players any stick at the moment. They're just stunned into silence.
Well, he's better than that. It's a poor pass. Well, he wants to cut in here, the winger. Lacklustre Liverpool, I think it's fair to say.
Yeah, just didn't pick it up early on. It's been a grind out there for them.
On the cross, blocked well by the defender. And Lionel Messi, that's the end of his game today. And Alan Smith with some final thoughts.
Wonderful to watch. He took those 2 goals superbly well.
Corner played in. It's under-hit the corner, and the man at the front post gets it away. Here's Andrew Roberts. He's got good support in the middle if he gets his cross in. A little too eager to get in behind the opposition, caught offside.
Yeah, just a bit over-eager there. He's got to hold his run a little bit longer.
Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. Now Sadio Mane. Now, can he take them on? And the ball knocked away long. Wijnaldum. Now, can he cross it? Gets the ball out wide with time to assess the situation. They gave the ball away when they had a real chance to open up the opposition. Well, maybe the counter-attack is on here. That's a missed opportunity on the counter-attack. Van Dijk, a look at the watch, and that will tell you 6 minutes to go. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. Now Sadio Mane. Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. Just taking the heat out of the moment, the ball back to the goalkeeper. Sergio Roberto. Excellent attacking play here. They could open up the opposition now. A chance to whip it in here. Dembele. Sergio Roberto. That cross aim for Antoine Griezmann, who's popped up at the far post. Here's Wijnaldum. Joe Gomez. Roberto Firmino. Wijnaldum. Milner. And that pass from Milner is cut out. And he's blown his whistle for the last time.